Latest chika, kaibigan ng sikat na love team, nadulas na ikinasal na pala ang sikat na couple. Tinanong kasi ang aktor ukol sa relasyon nila kung totoo ba na may relasyon nga ba. Hindi napigilan ng sarili at ibinuking ang dalawa. Ito nga ang sabi niya. Seeing man marry the woman they love reminds me that real love still exists. Love that stays, a love that's loyal, and love that doesn't make you question your worth. I'm genuinely happy for them, and deep inside, I'm hopeful that someday I'll have someone who will love me with effort, consistency, and loyalty, and maybe in God's perfect time, kagaya ng kaibigan kong dalawa. Talagang nag-iibigan sila.